Understanding the phrase, stay in shape. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a commonly used English phrase, stay in shape. This phrase is not just about physical fitness but carries a broader meaning in daily English. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Stay in shape literally refers to maintaining good physical health and fitness. It's often used to talk about regular exercise and a healthy diet. When someone says, "I go to the gym to stay in shape," they mean they exercise to keep their body fit and healthy. Beyond the gym, stay in shape can also have a figurative meaning. It can refer to maintaining good condition in various aspects of life, such as skills, mental health, or even keeping up with work responsibilities. For example, I practice piano daily to stay in shape musically. This phrase is versatile in everyday English. You can use it in different contexts. Physical fitness, I swim every day to stay in shape. Skills and hobbies, reading regularly helps me stay in shape intellectually. Work and career, attending workshops is a great way to stay in shape professionally. In different cultures, staying in shape might emphasize different aspects. In some, it's more about physical fitness, while in others, it might lean towards mental agility or skill maintenance. There are also variations of the phrase like, keep fit, or maintain form. Whether it's for physical health, skill maintenance, or mental well-being, stay in shape is a multifaceted phrase in English. We hope this video has helped you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your daily conversations. Happy learning and stay in shape in every way.